Hi there, welcome back. In this part, I'm going to show you two additional features that you would like to use whenever you are creating a report. That is drill down, drill through, and second would be how to make the tooltips appear over here. For example, now you have this total sales over here, but you would like to see the sales of particular product as well in this month. So how you can do that? Well, for that, we are going to create another page, which I'm going to say tooltip page. And here I'm going to hide it. Always hide this page. In this page, you have to go to the canvas settings and you have to come here and make it as a tooltip page. That's what you have to do. That means you can see the size is very small over here. So let's increase the size so that we can create what we want to show it over here. And in this part, I'm going to use a visualization from here. And let's try to find something which is going to be nice. Let's say pie chart. In this pie chart, what I can do, I can show you the profit margins or the sales by particular country as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this total sales by region, and then I can add another value over here. If I can go to the formatting pane only. So let me add this value by countries. So now you can see clearly that my countries are appearing here and I can edit this one. So sales by country. And I have to tweak them as well so that it does look good. So come over here. And here you can say, okay, my value should be less. And here you can say, okay, just appear the percentage of total. Or you can also say here, data value only. That's how you can do that. You don't need the labels over here, but if you would like, you can keep it. I mean, these are not the labels, these are the legends. So I'm going to just remove it so that it looks better. It's done. That's all you have to do. You can format it the way you would like to do. So what you have to do, you can come here. And on this page, first I need to zoom out because I zoom in quite a lot over here, or you can simply say fit. It's going to adjust automatically. Now you have to come here, and under tooltips, there would be a part where it's going to say tooltips. So let me try to find it out, or you can search it over here, tooltips, which is over here. Come here, and you can say I need a page which is going to be here as a tooltips. So which page you would like to have? I'm going to say tooltip page, which is over here. The page name, whichever you're going to select, is going to appear here. And you can then configure them. You need which size, which options. Please do configure them. I'm going to use the same, and then you can use the labels as well if you would like to. Now what's going to happen? If I'm going to hover it, you would see my tooltip page is appearing over here. You can see that in July, the sales are like that. If you would go, the numbers are going to get changed in every month. So you don't need to really go anywhere. Isn't it amazing? It is. This was the first part. Now what we have to do, we have to also show you the functionality of drill down and drill through. But before going there, you should also notice the headers over here whenever you are going to publish your reports to the powerbi service. Always pay attention that if you would like to use the focus mode, you can do like that. You can go back. If you would like to export the data in CSV or Excel, you can do that from here. If you would like to do sorting, you can do that. Formatting, you can do that. And so other option, if you want to remove it, you can remove as well. But now I'm coming here to the first drill down part. Here my sales is by territory region, but I also want to see the sales territory group as well over here. So what you have to do for that, you have to select one more, which is sales territory group from here. And now you would be able to drill it down further, but my options are not appearing here somehow. So I have to check it out. Why? Because here your header should appear so that you can do drill down or drill through. We would also see when we are gonna publish this report on Power BI service, but for the time being, so go to this options and settings and options. Here I'm gonna come to this report settings, and let's see drill down, drill through option. Suggest a type, you can remove it, but if you are new, you should do that. Align pages always. All right, let's go further to this one, report settings, and hide visual. Okay, personalized visual is very important. Always keep it because it's gonna give you a chance to personalize your visualization. You can change when the report is going to publish over there, so you can use it. And also keep it. Tooltips auto scale, this is important because the pie chart was appearing, it would automatically adjust according to the page size. That's it. Let's see if it's going to appear. See, now the personalized is appearing, but still drill down, drill through is not appearing. So we have to check that, or you can simply right click here and it should appear somewhere here, which is not coming. It's a matter to discuss, but we will definitely check that out and I'll try it out why it's not appearing. That's all right. So this is the first part that we did, but now let's suppose you have to do the drill through as well. So how you can do that? So first I'm going to create a details page. This details page is going to have all the details, means all of my data related details. That totally depends on what your organization requirements are. Right now we don't have any requirements in our report. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy these. Let me copy one by one. And now I can also copy these two. Copy. Hopefully this is going to get copied over here. And yes, I'm going to say details. Now I can create a table here which is going to give me all the details, like what is my these values. Let's say total units, unit source, and then I can have some of the dimensions. For example, I can have my month here, or simply you can have your date if you would like to, but I'm going to limit it to calendar just to show you the high level one only. And this is getting some of calendar, which is not good, but we'll change it, don't worry about that. Okay, let me go to the more options. Will do. And then we have to also agree the month name. So where's my month name? Because whatever you are gonna drill through, you should have that value in the axis. So if that value is not over here, for example, either on y-axis or r-axis, you cannot do the drill through. Over here we have the sales territory by region and the group. So these two values should be there. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say these two as well. Territory, country, group, region, all I'm adding here. And you can also format this table later on the way you would like to do that. All right. And in fact, in this one, you can have more values, or the more, I mean to say, you can have the more categories or the columns over here. But what you have to do, you have to select the column on which you want to do the drill through. Over here, we would like to do the drill through on this first part, which is sales territory region. So you have to come here, and then you have to, on this page, on which page you would like to come. So sales territory group, right click here and add to drill through, like this. Now I have added in drill through, so let's see whether it's going to appear here or not. Now if I just right click on this one, and you would find this drill through option, that's how it's going to appear. You have to simply go to the details page, and here it has been drilled through according to that one. That's how you do drill through. Once again, create any page you would like to do, and whichever field you would like to drill through. For example, in this case, we wanted to drill through on this sales territory region. So in that case, you have to go to that particular page once again, select that field, right click and add to drill through. That's how you have to do it. If I would like to do on month name as well, so what I can do, I can simply click here, month name, and add to drill through. Now I'll come back here, I'll see this month name, right click, and you will see this drill through, and I can see for that particular month what are the details. If you would like to go back, you can directly go back from here. So you can also drag and drop here. This is simply your back button where it's going to take you to the page, and just keep it over here or here. It's totally fine wherever you would like to keep it. So now I have shown you how to add the tooltips and also how to add drill down and drill through. Drill through is going to go to another page. However, drill down is going to down over here only. That's what we are going to do. So this is it for this part of the video. Now in the next part of the video, we are going to create a product analysis page. Also, I'm going to show you over here one of the very important features, bookmarks. How you can create the bookmarks in Power BI reports, and how you can create also the buttons if you would like to. All right. So I'm going to see you in the next video. If you have any question or concerns, please do post in the Q&A section. See you in the next video.